It is at this moment exactly that I have realised a massive error when drawing up the neck blank. I've got a chunk taken out of the blank in a place where I wasn't expecting it to be. Thinking, oh, it's okay for the headstock side because that's going to be thinned out, but actually forgetting that the heel is going to be full, and I'm going to have this cut out, this recess at the bottom of the heel, which was originally there for a hinge, because this was part of an old fire door frame. Oh dear. Tits. See this right here. Well, unfortunately, I guess that there's not really anything else I can do at this moment apart from carry on, finish shaping the neck and fix this ugly mess, which is a bit of a ball bag, pardon my French, because I wanted this to be the best build using the best materials so far to date, and yeah. At least the good news, it will be hidden because this is going to be the heel underneath, you know, in the neck pocket, but it's a bit unexpected, so I'll just crack on, and then I guess we'll have to repair it, and it would have been easier to repair before I shaped the neck, but hey ho. And I've got the same thing here. This neck blank was barely big enough on the face of putting the template on. I didn't think about what happened at the bottom here. Not where I wanted it to be. Flame looks good though. Right, that's it. I'm going to leave it there. A couple of silly mistakes there with this neck heel. I mean, in one aspect, it's not going to be visible at all, but that's where my screws are going to go. And I don't want to leave it like that. I don't like that idea. So I'm going to have to cut a piece out of there and square it all up and glue another piece in and fix that. That is a real shame. And I've also got something very similar, must have been an old drill hole from something, right at the top of the headstock. So I'm going to have to do the same thing there, this is such a shame because I really wanted this to be not the perfect build, it's something I'm always striving for, but a build with really good quality materials and not one where I'm taking bloody ages to complete it. So, but at the same time, I got this neck blank for free, and I managed to also get 3 other neck blanks out of this door frame, and it's all flamed maple. So kind of beggars can't be choosers, and just, yeah, I think that's going to look bloody beautiful regardless. So we've got the truss rod, goes in, banging, that's perfect. And I guess on the next video, gonna fix these 2 little problems, get the headstock thinned down, and maybe start working on this ash body that I've got. Really want to make this series not necessarily quick because I've got other builds at the same time, but efficient of my time and actually get a decent amount of stuff done in each video. So there we have the neck blank ready to roll. Feels good. I'm liking it so far. Thank you very much. Please like if you like it, subscribe if you want to see more, and yeah, see you later.